On the brush hog. You're stuck, bro.
Oh, no, it's a fish.
Are you joking?
No.
Double up. Oh, we're double up.
Getting the loop.
Oh, we're double up. Double up.
Oh my God.
Hey, what is up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be fishing with Aiden. As you guys saw in some of my other videos, his channel is I Do Random. But I think he's stopping YouTube. I don't know why. He's just too busy. But this is part one. So today we are going to be just fishing off banks at local lakes. And we're doing a challenge with Aiden's dad and mom. Whoever catches the most fish out of both of us, like me and Aiden going against his dad and his mom, gets to pick a lure from the other person's tackle box. So stay tuned. This is gonna be really cool, and make sure you check out part two. It's also really epic. We go on my boat and we catch like a bunch of fish. So stay tuned. I forgot to say also, we're doing a catch and cook on the boat in part two. So stay tuned for that. That's pretty epic. Bass Pro Shops rod, 6'6" medium action. I have a green lipless crankbait.
I have my Lew's American Hero combo with 12-pound mono with a spinnerbait on attached.
Guys, Aiden just scooped up a bunch of tadpoles. Look at all of this. They're everywhere. They're all spawning.
I'm gonna get one.
I mean, they're all gonna turn into frogs soon.
Watch this. I'm gonna grab one for the camera.
There's so many over there.
I was too slow, but I may have got one.
Nothing.
Definitely not got one. Alright.
Look at all of these. Holy crap. It's making like the bottom of the lake look black. Oh my god. They're everywhere.
He just got a 6-pound snakehead.
He did? Four bass right here. I'm throwing this coffee scent KVD brush hog. He's throwing a spinnerbait. Guys, on the brush hog. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, it's a nice one.
Tiny, dude. That's tiny. Nice.
That's
Fish?
definitely not tiny for this lake.
Well, for this lake. Here, I got it. Nice fish.
Alright guys, first fish of the day. We're gonna get a release underwater action.
Alright guys, I left my bait out there. I was helping them and I forgot I had my bait out there. Watch, there's a fish on it. Watch, there's gonna be a fish on it. Yeah, there's definitely not a fish on it. No way! No way! No way!
Actually have a fish, do you? You're stuck, bro.
No, it's a fish!
Are you joking?
No!
It's definitely stuck.
Dude, it's shaking. It was
No, it's
shaking for
not.
a second.
You're stuck. You thought it was a fish.
No, it was shaking.
Here, let me see it.
No way.
I'm gonna try to get it out.
Oh no, that's a fish!
It is?
That's a fish!
What the heck? You must have gotten stuck while you had the fish.
No way!
No, don't get stuck on that. No, it's stuck.
There we are.
It's a nice one. You just broke it. You slammed its head on the floor.
No way!
Bro,
Dude.
that fish is dark.
Dude, I got a fish. Just leaving it there.
You were like, bet I have a fish. I was like, no way, he's probably
Dude.
joking.
That is awesome.
All right, let's get the release.
Guys, we're gonna get the release. Aiden's first fish of the day. I think you can liven up. Go. There he is. All right. That's Aiden's first fish of the day. Let's get another.
Sorry guys, took off my GoPro. We were planning on leaving. Come back later.
All right, guys. So sorry I didn't record. I was just here for a little bit, like just a couple casts, and I got a fish.
Oh, they just got one also.
Oh, they also got one. That's actually pretty cool. So
Yeah.
we got another one. This is the third one of the day. I got him on the fluke, so it did pretty well, but I lost the bait. But it was nice. I think this is the one I saw in the water. We're gonna get the hook out of him.
Underwater release.
He's off.
Aiden has a fish
I got one, guys. I got one.
on the fluke.
It's decent. Oh my.
Every fish here hasn't. Oh my god! That's a long one! That guy is long!
Oh my
god! Aiden's hooked up. Probably the smallest one of the day.
Not really. The one I got first.
Actually, yeah, Aiden's first fish was probably smaller. But it's still a fish.
All right, that's number 5.
Nice one. Let's get the underwater release.
All right.
Dude, this is why I love the flute.
Yeah, he's crushing on the Gary fluke.
Shout out to Gary Yamamoto. Sponsor me.
Guys, we just came back from Bass Pro. Got a few lures and worms.
We can cut it.
Gonna try to catch some more fish before the sun sets, but yeah. Guys, I just got these KVD Senkos with coffee scent. These are like the killers here, like the brush hog. Yeah, it smells like coffee. Oh my god.
Guys, I got Gary Yamamoto.
But yeah, we're gonna get one.
I got a Gary Yamamoto fluke, and I'm ready to kill.
That doesn't sound right. But yeah, this has red and black pumpkin seeds. We're gonna try to catch some fish. Putting on a little 2-aught red worm hook. Got my 15-pound mono. Got a fish?
Wait, let me get it. Guys, are you recording?
Yeah. On the fluke.
Gotta get that video for Instagram. It fought like a 5-pounder. Flip or die.
Flip or die.
That's actually not bad. It's not a bad one, guys. Oh wait,
Hold it up.
it's not bad. I'd give him a 1.5 pounds.
Guys, on the oh my god, guys, on the coffee scent.
Here, I'll land it. Bring it up. Don't risk losing it.
Not a giant, but it's a fish.
Come on, bring your rod up. Yeah. I farted.
That was the fish? I thought that was you.
The fish farted. Get your waterproof camera.
Aiden's got a fish.
Wait.
Come on, get it. Still on? We've caught so much fish the past.
Oh,
no! Of course, Aiden had to catch the fountain.
Oh!
Did it come off?
No.
It's on the fluke.
That's definitely a fish.
That's
a
definitely a fish. Flip or die.
Flip or die. Just let him calm down. I say when we do our catch and cook, we catch a small one.
Guys,
Get him in.
on the new bait, he's gonna jump.
I got him. Bring him in over here. Or flip or die.
Flip or die, guys.
I got it. I got the hook.
Alright, another bass on the new
You gotta hold him like your dad.
Senko. Fish on, guys. Another one on the new
Dude, we're
bait.
at 9.
Number 9 of the day.
Dude, that's not bad. It's not a bad one.
Flip or die. Yeah, flip or die.
Look, I got, dude, that's nice.
It's a nice one.
That's
Long.
not bad. Alright guys, that's another one.
All right, let's get the underwater.
He comes
just
back.
look how teared up this worm is. Legit, I've caught like 5 fish on it the past like 30 minutes. It's insane. This worm's
Dude, the
he's a
Gary
trooper,
Yamamoto.
bro. Double up!
Oh!
We're double up!
Getting the loop.
Oh, we're double up! Double up!
Oh my god, guys.
Oh,
Dude, the
flip or die!
Flip or die.
Double up!
Dude, they're not bad.
Double up! Yours is a chunk. Double up, guys.
Oh my god, guys. Oh.
This worm has been slaying.
Dude, my worm has been
so
slaying.
has the flukes.
I'm gonna release him over here. It's right there. Over here, and then we're gonna go try and tear up some tilapia. First one. Second one. Bye-bye.
Hey, that's pretty lit. Bass. Nice one.
Yeah, son.
Good job.
Keep him from jumping. I'm gonna bring him over here.
Just get him up before my GoPro dies.
Oh, he's
Guys,
topping.
here's Aiden's fish.
Nice one.
Bring it up. Bring it up.
Wait, bring the fish up. That's not bad.
That's a nice fish.
That's a nice fish for here. Definitely not a new PB, guys.
2 pounds.
2 pounds, maybe. 2.5, maybe.
There is a huge tilapia, and there's also a Mayan cichlid. They're in the same bed. Aiden's jigging right in front of a mine, and he's taking bites out of it. Oh, wait. Oh, I see it.
Getting him angry.
Got him. Mayan.
Yes! My first Mayan cichlid!
That counts, Kenny.
Do I lip him?
Nah. I mean, you can. Or you can just put your finger through its gill. Alright, guys. Aiden's
My first Mayan cichlid.
Cichlid.
My first
Mayan
ever.
cichlid. Oh my god.
No, we
Is
gotta
the-
get the release. Dude, nice. We got a Mayan cichlid.
Alright, let's get the release.
Get a picture.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, guys. Release. I think the tilapia's gonna come back. Alright.
Beautiful fish.
Oh, it's
my God.
it's aggressive. Fish on, fish on.
Another
We got a
one
fish
on
on.
the worm.
Fish on. He's right here.
Live or die. Oh my god, that's like number 12.
Yeah, we're on 12.
Oh, the worm finally flew off, but I think it's right next to me.
We got a nice one. It's like through its mouth. Alright.
Alright guys, it's a
You
nice
get a
one.
nice
Get
one?
the release.
Wait, hold on. Easy. Alright. Get it closer. I won't drop it. Chill out.